Did you run into the issue or feature, I guess, depending on how you define it, that WhatsApp and other messaging services wants to auto-reply to your messages? Like you can see the smiley that has been automatically inserted here in this WhatsApp message. This was driving me crazy when I got this new phone, which is the minimal phone, if you don't recognize it, with the e-ink screen. I'll put a link to it in the description below so you can check it out if you want to. But I had not seen this feature show up before, and I had to look around quite a lot to be able to find how you would change this. And the way you change this is going to Android settings, and then you want to scroll to security and privacy. When you get down to security and privacy, you want to go to more security and privacy. See all the way down here. Clicking on this, you then want to go to Android System Intelligence. This one. And when you reach there, you want to click on Keyboard. And here in Keyboard you have the very nice feature Smart Replies, Text Suggestions. So this Smart Replies is what you want to turn off, and then WhatsApp will not be sending automatic text messages anymore. Let's confirm that this is actually the case by going back to the same conversation. And yes, it is not showing up with an automated message.